Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, Unit 9, Chapter 2, The Magic Porridge Pot. But before starting the chapter, first of all let us learn some new words. Number 1, ONCE, once. Once means that has been happened only one time, यानी एक बार. ONCE, once. ONCE, once. ONCE, once. Number 2, LITTLE, little. Little means tiny or in a short proportion or short amount, यानी छोटा सा, या फिर अगर हम proportion में count कर रहे हैं इसे तो थोड़ा सा. LITTLE, little. LITTLE, little. LITTLE, little. Number 3, NAMED, named. Named is the word used for someone जिसका नाम रखा गया है. Okay, जिसका जैसे here in this story we are talking about a girl जिसका नाम तारा है. तो यहाँ पे लाइन क्या यूज़ की गई है? A girl named तारा, यानी उस गर्ल का नाम क्या है? तारा. NAMED, named. NAMED, named. NAMED, named. Number 4, TARA, Tara. Tara here in this chapter is the name of a girl. TARA, Tara. TARA, Tara. TARA, Tara. Number 5, LIVED, lived. Lived is the past form of live. And what do you mean by live? Live means रहना. LIVED, lived. LIVED, lived. LIVED, lived. Number 6, MOTHER, mother. Now you all know the meaning of mother. Mother means मम्मी या मम्मा, जो भी आप बुलाते हो अपनी मम्मा को. ओके, MOTHER, mother. MOTHER, mother. MOTHER, mother. Number 7, POOR, poor. Poor is used for someone who is not rich, यानी जो अमीर नहीं है, जो कि गरीब है. गरीबों के लिए क्या वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है बेटा? poor. POOR, poor. POOR, poor. POOR, poor. Number 8, FOREST, forest. Forest means a jungle where wild animals live. FOREST, forest. FOREST, forest. FOREST, forest. Number 9, WOMAN, woman. What is a woman? Woman is the opposite of man. Woman यानी औरत. WOMAN, woman. WOMAN, woman. WOMAN, woman. Number 10, MAGIC, magic. POT, pot. Magic pot. Here magic pot is means a pot which is magical. pot यानी बेटा मटका और magic यानी जादू. तो magic pot यानी क्या हुआ? ऐसा मटका जिसमें जादू हो. MAGIC, magic. POT, pot. Magic pot. MAGIC, magic. POT, pot. Magic pot. MAGIC, magic. POT, pot. Magic pot. Number 11, COOK, cook. Cook means खाना बनाना. COOK, cook. COOK, cook. COOK, cook. Number 12, PORRIDGE, porridge. Now what do you mean by porridge? Porridge यानी खिचड़ी. PORRIDGE porridge. PORRIDGE porridge. PORRIDGE porridge. Number 13, MAKING making. Making is the continuous tense of the verb make. Make मतलब बनाना. MAKING making. MAKING making. MAKING making. Number 14, HUNGRY hungry. Now you all know the meaning of hungry. Hungry यानी भूखा. जब आपको भूख लगती है और आपको खाने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा होता तो आप बोलते हो ना I am hungry, मुझे भूख लगी है. HUNGRY hungry. HUNGRY hungry. HUNGRY hungry. Number 15, STARTED started. Now started is the past form of start. And start का मतलब क्या होता है? शुरू करना. STARTED started. STARTED started. STARTED started. Number 16, AFTER after. After means बाद में. AFTER after. AFTER after. AFTER after. Number 17, EATING eating. Eating is the continuous form of eat. जब हम खाते हैं तो कहते हैं eat और जब खाना कंटिन्यू है तो उसे कहते हैं eating. EATING eating. EATING eating. EATING eating. Number 18, SPILLING spilling. Spilling means उभर के फैल जाना. यहाँ पे जो स्टोरी हम पढ़ने वाले हैं उसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि हमने स्पिलिंग वर्ड क्यों यूज़ किया है, किसके लिए यूज़ किया है. ठीक है. स्पिलिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? फैल जाना. SPILLING spilling. SPILLING spilling. SPILLING spilling. Number 19, ANYMORE anymore. ANYMORE anymore. ANYMORE anymore. Number 20, EVERY every. WHERE where. Everywhere. Everywhere means हर जगह. EVERY every. WHERE where. Everywhere. EVERY every. WHERE where. Everywhere. EVERY every. WHERE where. Everywhere. Number 21, FOLLOWED followed. Followed is the past form of follow. Follow means पीछा करना. FOLLOWED followed. FOLLOWED followed. FOLLOWED followed. Number 22, HEARD heard. Heard is the past form of hear. Hear means सुनना. HEARD heard. HEARD heard. HEARD heard. Number 23, CALLED called. Called is the past form of call. कॉल के दो मीनिंग होते हैं. एक कॉल करना जो फ़ोन से होता है और दूसरा है बुलाना. तो यहाँ पे जो स्टोरी है वहाँ पे ये कॉल बुलाने के लिए यूज़ किया गया है. ओके, CALLED called. CALLED called. CALLED called. Number 24, last one. STOPPED stopped. Stopped is the past form of stop. Stop यानी रुक जाना. STOPPED stopped. STOPPED stopped. STOPPED stopped. Now let us read the chapter and understand the story. What is the title of the story? The title of the story is The Magic Porridge Pot. तो देखो, द मैजिक यानी जादुई, पॉरेज यानी खिचड़ी एंड पॉट यानी मटका. तो हम एक ऐसे जादुई मटके के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं जिसमें से पॉरेज बनती है. लेट्स बिगिन. Once there was a little girl named Tara. So here we are going to learn the story about a girl whose name is Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. Now Tara was living with her mother and they were very poor. They were not so rich. They were really very poor. तो हम इस स्टोरी में किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? एक गर्ल के बारे में. उस गर्ल का नाम क्या है? तारा. और तारा अपनी मम्मा के साथ रहती थी और वो लोग बहुत ही पुअर थे, यानी बहुत ही गरीब थे. One day she went to a forest. There she met an old woman. So one day Tara just went to a forest and in the forest she met an old woman. एक दिन तारा एक फॉरेस्ट में गई और वहाँ पे तारा को एक ओल्ड लेडी मिली, एक ओल्ड वुमन मिली. The old woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you when you say, 'Cook, pot, cook.' It will stop making porridge when you say, 'Stop, pot, stop.'" Now what happened? Tara met that old woman. So the old woman gave Tara a magic pot. And she said that this pot will cook porridge for you. Whenever you say, "Cook, pot, cook," it will start cooking porridge for you. And whenever you say, "Stop, pot, stop," it will stop making the porridge. So what happened? जब तारा फॉरेस्ट में गई और उसे वो ओल्ड वुमन मिली तो उस ओल्ड वुमन ने तारा को एक मैजिक पॉट दिया, यानी एक जादुई मटका दिया. और जब भी हम उस पॉट को बोलते कि कुक पॉट कुक, तो वो पॉट पॉरेज यानी कि खिचड़ी बनाना शुरू कर देगा. और जब हम उसे कहेंगे कि स्टॉप पॉट स्टॉप, तो वो खिचड़ी बनाना बंद कर देगा. Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry as I have got a magic pot." So Tara was so happy with that pot as they were very poor. वो लोग बहुत गरीब थे, तो वो pot लेके तारा बहुत खुश हो गई. She just ran to her mother and said that we are no longer going to be hungry any day. I have got a magic pot. तो क्या हुआ? तारा इतनी खुश हो गई कि खुशी के मारे वो फटाफट कहाँ भाग के गई? अपनी मम्मा के पास गई और वहाँ जाके उनसे कहा कि मम्मा, अब हम कभी भी भूखे नहीं रहेंगे, मेरे पास एक मैजिक पॉट है. तारा said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook," and the pot cooked porridge. Her mother was very happy and they both ate porridge. What did Tara do? Tara just kept the pot and she said, "Cook, pot, cook." Then the pot started cooking porridge. Then both Tara and her mother ate the porridge and they were very happy. जब तारा ने अपनी मम्मा को वो पॉट दिखाया तो उसने क्या किया? वहाँ पे उस पॉट को रखा और वो मैजिक वर्ड बोला, "कुक, पॉट, कुक." ऐसा बोलने से क्या हुआ? पॉट ने पॉरेज बनाना शुरू किया. उसके बाद तारा और उसकी मम्मा इतने खुश हो गए और खुशी खुशी उन्होंने वो पॉरेज खा ली. One day when Tara had gone out, her mother felt hungry. She said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." The pot started cooking porridge. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook, pot." But the pot went on cooking. Now what happened? One day Tara just went out and her mother was feeling hungry. So she remembered that how Tara used to cook the porridge in the pot. She said the spell, cook pot, cook, and the pot started cooking porridge. Then the mother ate the porridge, and after eating she said, do not cook pot. But the pot didn't stop, it went on cooking. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, तारा कहीं बाहर गई हुई थी और उसी टाइम पे तारा की मम्मा को बहुत ही भूख लगी थी। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्हें याद था कि तारा ने क्या स्पेल बोला था पॉट को, और पॉट ने पॉरेज बनाना शुरू किया था। तो तारा की मम्मा ने भी बोला कुक पॉट कुक, और उस पॉट ने पॉरेज बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया। फिर उन्होंने पॉरेज खा ली और उनका पेट भर गया। बट उसके बाद उन्होंने जब उसको बोला डू नॉट कुक पॉट, तो वो स्टॉप नहीं हुआ और वो पॉरेज बनाते ही जा रहा है, बनाते ही जा रहा है। Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, wait, do not cook anymore. But the pot did not stop. And soon what happened? The pot was going on cooking and cooking. So the porridge started spilling on the floor. And again her mother said, do not cook anymore. But still the pot didn't stop it and it went on cooking. तो फिर क्या हुआ, अब वो पॉट तो पॉरेज बनाना रुक ही नहीं रहा था, तो धीरे धीरे पूरा पॉट भर गया और सारी पॉरेज पॉट से बाहर आके ज़मीन पे गिर गई, फैल गई। फिर से तारा की मम्मा ने बोला कि डू नॉट कुक एनी मोर, बट वो पॉट रुका नहीं। मदर रैन आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड द पॉरेज फॉलोड हर। सून देयर वर पॉरेज एवरीवेयर, द होल विलेज सॉ इट. They ran to eat the porridge. Now the porridge started to spill on the floor and the whole room was covered with porridge. So mother ran out of the house, but the porridge even followed her out of the house. Soon there was porridge everywhere on the road, in the whole village, and all the village members, people living in the village, they saw the porridge and they were just running towards it to eat it. अब जैसे जैसे वो पॉट फिल हो गया तो पॉरेज फैल के बाहर ज़मीन पे गिरने लगा। सून उनके पूरे घर में पॉरेज भर गया। तो मदर ने क्या किया, वो घर से बाहर भागने लगी, लेकिन पॉरेज भी उनके पीछे पीछे घर से बाहर निकल गई और ज़रा सी देर में पूरे विलेज में पॉरेज इधर उधर फैल गई थी। सारे विलेज के लोगों ने देखा पॉरेज को और वो लोग तुरंत ही भागे भागे आ रहे थे उसके पास उसे खाने के लिए। When Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran back as fast as she could. She heard her mother shout, Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop. Tara called out, stop pot, stop. And it stopped cooking porridge. Now Tara returned and she saw that the road was full of porridge and people are eating porridge. So she ran towards her house as fast as she could. वो एकदम जल्दी जल्दी अपने घर की तरफ भागी. And she heard her mother. Her mother was shouting, Tara, this pot is not stopping to cook. I am shouting since so long, but the pot is just cooking and it will not stop. So what did Tara do? Tara spoke the spell of stopping it. She said, stop pot, stop. And the pot stopped cooking porridge. क्या हुआ, जब तारा वापस आई तो उसने देखा कि विलेज का तो पूरा रोड पॉरेज से भरा हुआ है। वो समझ गई कि कुछ गड़बड़ है, इसलिए वो जल्दी जल्दी से अपने घर की तरफ भागी। और उसने क्या सुना, अपनी मम्मा को चिल्लाते हुए सुना कि तारा देखो ना, ये पॉट तो पॉरेज बनाना रुक ही नहीं रहा है। और तारा ने जल्दी से वो स्पेल बोल दिया, स्टॉप पॉट स्टॉप, और ये सुनते ही पॉट ने पॉरेज बनाना स्टॉप कर दिया। दिस वॉज द होल स्टोरी बेटा। आई होप यू लाइक द स्टोरी। योर टुडेज होमवर्क इज टू रीड द स्टोरी वंस and learn and write the new words in your English book. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and also like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.